Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out the new Spyderco Smallfly 2 Balisong. This guy has been missing for a couple years, but they have finally released kind of a new updated model. Has a little spring latch here, as well as kind of a new updated blade. It's about 3.37 inches on the blade length itself, using that epic CPM-S30V steel. It's about 7.6 inches overall. Definitely a little bit more compact size. Uses some super sweet G10 handles with stainless liners, as well as a pocket clip that looks reversible to either side. It's about 3.3 ounces, so it's the ideal kind of weight that you want for a Balisong for sure. It's super sweet. Looks like it runs on kind of washers. Really excited to see this one again for sure. Nice and smooth. Super tight tolerances as well. There's pretty much no wiggle in that handle. So make sure to get your new Spyderco Balisong today at Blade Ops.